Have you ever wondered why birds can sit on power lines and never get electrocuted? It looks impossible. Those wires carry thousands of volts of electricity. So why are the birds completely fine? Here's the science. Electricity always takes the easiest path to flow. When a bird sits on just one power line, both of its feet are touching the same wire. That means there's no difference in electrical voltage across its body. Without a voltage difference, almost no electricity flows through the bird. So it stays perfectly safe. But here's the important part. If the bird accidentally touches another wire at a different voltage, or touches a power pole while standing on the wire, electricity suddenly has a path through its body, and that can be fatal. The same rule applies to humans. Power line workers wear special protective equipment and carefully follow safety procedures because even a small mistake around high voltage lines can be extremely dangerous. So the next time you see birds sitting calmly on power lines, you'll know they're not immune to electricity. They're simply following the laws of physics. Sometimes the smartest survival trick is just staying on the same line. Follow for more insane science facts.